So we had to do some Indian grocery and thought of going to the Hillcroft Avenue. This entire street is filled with Indian or international grocery stores and restaurants. We're actually headed to Vishala Grocers. It's actually owned by, I guess, Patel brothers, if I'm not mistaken. And but it's called Vishala Grocers in and around Houston area. So here we are. As soon as you enter the store, you will find a bunch of fresh vegetables which you can pick from, and then you'll see this ginger, garlic, dry coconut over here, and then they have this frozen section which has all of the Indian snacks, pizzas, and even some non-vegetarian options. On this side over here, you can also see some fresh fruits. And over here you'll find some incense sticks on the left, and then over here are all the parathas and chapatis or rotis which are also frozen. Over here you'll see some of the frozen vegetables. We usually pick some of the frozen vegetables from this section just because we at times don't have time to cut all the fresh vegetables while cooking. So this is a convenient option. You'll see some ice creams, variety of ice creams actually, all the Indian ice creams. And then here is a section with yogurt, dosa and idli batter, and also some paneer. I'm going to grab some yogurt. Make sure to always check the expiration on these products. I'll also grab some dosa batter for us. So this aisle has some dry snacks like kakras, chips, even papads which can be roasted or fried. This next aisle here has a variety of masalas, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian masalas of different brands. And then you'll also find some khada masalas over here like cumin seeds, carom seeds, or even sesame seeds and other types of masalas. The chutney and pickle section. And here are some cookies, crackers, biscuits, and other types of snacks. You get a variety of dals or pulses that we typically use in an Indian household. Everything is pretty much available over here. Here are some Indian brands for hair products, talcum powders, oils, or even face washes. And if you go on further, you'll find atta, which is like wheat flour to make rotis or chapatis. And again, you'll find various brands to choose from. And on the right here, you'll find options for teas or coffee, both instant and then other powdered teas or coffees. So if you look here further on Hillcroft Avenue, you'll find many more restaurants and also some Indian ethnic wear stores. There's also hot breads over here, which is one of our favorites as well, especially for their breads and their bakery products. Now we're heading to eat some crispy dosas at Saravana Bhavan. So this street is still Hillcroft, and then when we take a left, it's just off of Hillcroft Avenue. We're headed to Saravana Bhavan after 8 or 10 years, so we're very excited to have some delicious crispy dosas. So this is about 8:30 p.m. and people were still pouring in and it was pretty crowded. I got my order of dosa and we were waiting for Yash's paper dosa to come. Look at the size of this paper dosa. So it did take a while for our orders to come in, but it was definitely worth the wait.